talk about how can you disable radio message notifications on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on push notifications. Just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you here. So like this. Then you click here on in-app notifications. You come here to radio message. Click in this sign. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean radio message disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by